गरुध्वज गुणनिधे दामोदर माधव। हे कृष्णा कमलापते यदुपते सीतापते श्रीपते वैकुण्ठाधिपते चराचरपते लक्ष्मीपते पाहि मां त्राहि मां पाहि मां। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे नारायणाय धीमहि तन्नो कृष्णः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणाय विद्महे महानारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो कृष्णः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। सर्वपापोहरं दिव्यं गाङ्गेयं निर्मलं जलम् आचमनं च मया दत्तं गृह्यतां जगदीश्वर। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवा। यत्पुरुकेण हविका देवा यज्ञमतन्वत वसन्तोऽस्यासीदाज्यं ग्रीष्म इद्म शरद्विः। ॐ एलालवङ्गपूगीफलयुतं ताम्बूलं समर्पयामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। दक्षिणा। हरि ओं हिरण्यगर्भः समवर्धताग्रीभूतस्य जात पतिरेक आसीत् सदाधार मृदविन्द्यामुतेम कस्मै देवाय हविषा विधेम। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। द्रव्यदक्षिणां समर्पयामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। And if we can put a piece of सज्जनों के संकट दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। जो ध्यावे फल पावे दुख बिनसे मन का स्वामी। दुख बिनसे मन का सुख संपत्ति घर आवे। सुख संपत्ति घर आवे काशन चेतन का। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। मात पिता तुम मेरे शरण गहुँ किसकी। प्रभु शरण गहुँ किसकी। तुम बिन और न दूजा प्रभु बिन और न दूजा आस करो जिसकी। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। प्रभु जय जगदीश। वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। Take flowers. Put the thali down, take flowers in your hands. We do move your seat. Sadrisham Meghavarnam Suvangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Virdhyanagamyam Vande Vishnu Bhavaiharam Sarvalokekanatham. Om Namo Bhagavate वासुदेवाय। नमो ब्रह्मण्य देवाय गो ब्राह्मण हिताय च जगदिदाय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। ओम मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुलंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानंद माधव। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नंदनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। यज्ञेन यज्ञमुदन्तदेवासानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् ते हनाकं महिमानः सचन्त यत्र पूर्वे साद्याः सन्ति देवाः। ॐ त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव मंत्रपुष्पांजलिं समर्पयामि। वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, गोवर्धन भगवान की जय। Offer your flowers. They did penance. They forgot about everything else, but they thought about Bhagwan, and Bhagwan manifested in front of them. And Bhagwan, they said, Bhagwanji, I would like to have a child like you. No. First they said, Bhagwan, we are fulfilled because we've got your darshan. But Bhagwan is always wanting to give to bring greater happiness to his children. And they all requested to have a child like Bhagwan, a child like Bhagwan. For when Bhagwanji appeared in the chambers of Rani Kaushalya, although she was speechless, she did not know what to do. When she recollected herself, she said, Bhagwan, this is not the form that you promised me. This Chatur Bhuja form that you stand here, that we see at the altar, that is not what you promised to come and be my child. Come as a little baby and allow me to be your mother, And so one of the things they got to do is to feed Bhagwan, to make all kinds of meals, to make the things that were special to Bhagwan, and to feed Bhagwan, and watch Bhagwan enjoy the meals that they made. And so you all put in a lot of effort today, and the other individuals who have contributed towards this book for Bhagwan, with the mindset, I want to feed Bhagwan. I know the story of how he did not eat for an entire week, and I want to be like those incredibly blessed individuals who thought about Bhagwanji and cared and were concerned so much that he had fasted and he had sacrificed for their benefit, and I wanted to do something. And so today, again, you have done it because you have love for Bhagwan. You have love for Bhagwan, and you have that motherly instinct within you that you want to prepare a nice dish. You want to prepare something nice that Bhagwan is going to enjoy and partake of. And so clasp your hands and think about Bhagwanji and say, oh Bhagwanji, with love, with the strength that you have given us, the wisdom that you have afforded us, oh Bhagwan, the ability to do all these things as we dedicate ourselves to you, Bhagwanji, all of that happened because of your divine grace. Without your blessings, oh Bhagwan, nothing is possible. And so we offer this book, all these different articles, and we dedicate it to you, Bhagwan. And oh Bhagwan, may they have the most beautiful swad, may they have the most beautiful taste, and may they be the greatest of delicacies, oh Bhagwan. May it be better than anybody else, because we want the best for you, O Bhagwan. And we pray with love, O Bhagwan, may you accept our book today, and may you shower your blessings, and may you continue to afford us this grand opportunity so that we can continue to dedicate ourselves to you. Hari Om Nabhya Sirandarikshagum Shirshodyaho Samavartata Padhyam Bhumirishah Shrotat Tha Lokan Kalpayan Tvadyambasta Govinda Tudyameva Samarpaye Griyan Shmuko Bhutta Prasiddha Jagadishwara Prasiddha Parameshwara. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Aavo bhog लगाओ प्यारी मोहन, आओ भोग लगाओ प्यारी मोहन, प्रेम से भोग लगाओ प्यारी मोहन, लगाओ प्यारी मोहन, लगाओ प्यारी
आओ भोग लगाओ प्यारे मोहन।
दिलनी के बेर सुदाम की तंदूर, दिलनी के बेर सुदाम की तंदूर, रुचि रुचि भोग लगाओ प्यारे मोहन, रुचि रुचि भोग
लगाओ प्यारे मोहन।
आओ भोग लगाओ प्यारे मोहन। दुर्योधन को मेवा त्यागी, दुर्योधन को
मेवा त्यागी।
साग विदुर घर खायो रे मोहन, साग विदुर घर खायो रे मोहन। आओ भोग लगाओ प्यारे मोहन। भक्त सुदामा मिलने आयो, भक्त सुदामा मिलने आयो। कंचन महल करायो रे मोहन, कंचन महल करायो रे मोहन। आओ भोग लगाओ प्यारे मोहन। आप ही की वस्तु आप ही की अर्पण, आप ही की वस्तु आप ही के अर्पण। कर कृपा अपनायो रे मोहन, कर कृपा
अपनायो रे मोहन।
आओ भोग लगाओ प्यारे मोहन। मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर। चरण कमल लिप तायो रे मोहन, चरण कमल लिप तायो रे मोहन। आओ भोग लगाओ प्यारे मोहन। सब संतन के बीच भवन में, सब संतन के बीच भवन में। आके भोग लगाओ प्यारे मोहन, आके भोग लगाओ प्यारे मोहन। आओ भोग लगाओ प्यारे मोहन। श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम। श्री राम जय राम, जय जय राम। श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। भैया we can have another bhajan.
प्रिय गोप गोप सुतवल्लभम् चरणारविन्द मह्यं भजे। भजनीय सुरमुनि दुर्लभम्, भजनीय सुरमुनि दुर्लभम्। बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी, बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी। हृदयेश्वर हरि हृदय बिहारी, हृदयेश्वर हरि हृदय बिहारी। मोर मुकुट पीतंबर धारी, बिनती सुनिए हमारी। हमारी नहीं जन्म जन्म का लगी लगन है, शक्षी तारो बड़ा गगन है, शक्षी तारो बड़ा गगन है, गिन गिन सांस आस कहती है, आएंगी श्री कृष्ण मुरारी। बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी, बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी। हृदयेश्वर हरि हृदय विहारी, हृदयेश्वर हरि हृदय विहारी, मोर मुकुट पीतांबर धारी। बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी, बिनती सुनिए। सतत प्रतीक्षा अपलक लोचन, सतत प्रतीक्षा अपलक लोचन, हे ब्रह्मवर विदिति विमोचन, हे ब्रह्मवर विदिति विमोचन, श्वास काढ़े दीजिए, शरणागत है नैन पुजारी। बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी, बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी। हृदयेश्वर हरि हृदय विहारी, हृदयेश्वर हरि हृदय विहारी, मोर मुकुट पीतांबर धारी। बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी, बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी। और कहूँ क्या अंतर्यामी, और कहूँ क्या अंतर्यामी, तन मन धन प्राणों की स्वामी, स्वामी। तन मन धन प्राणों की स्वामी, करुणा कर कर ये करिए, स्वीकारी बिनती स्वीकारी। बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी, बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी। हृदयेश्वर हरि हृदय विहारी, हृदयेश्वर हरि हृदय विहारी, मोर मुकुट पीतांबर धारी। बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारी, बिनती सुनिए, बिनती सुनिए, बिनती सुनिए नाथ हमारे।
गोपाल बाला गोपी मनोहर
प्रारंभ कार्तिक शुक्ल प्रतिपदा के दिन गोवर्धन पूजा की विधान किया गया है. So in this month of Kartik, we on the first day we perform the puja of Govardhan Bhagwan. इस से अन्नकूट के नाम से भी अभिहित किया जाता है, and on this day it is also called Annakut, and so both of them are related, as you all know. उस दिन सभी देव मंदिरों में अन्नकूट की सजावट की जाती है. Every mandir where the devotees are mindful, they make all sorts of preparation for this Annakut and this puja of Govardhan Bhagwan, जिसमें देव मूर्ति के समक्ष नाना प्रकार के पकवान बनाकर नैवेद्य के रूप में अर्पित किए जाते हैं. And so around the Murti of Bhagwan Ji, around the divine form of Bhagwan Ji, whether it's at home or whether it's at the mandir, devotees, they make all sorts of beautiful dishes, and they prepare a lot of different snacks and drinks and all these beverages, and they offer it to भगवान. इस श्रृंगार को देखने के लिए मंदिरों में उस दिन भारी भीड़ उमड़ पड़ती है. And these, because of this Annakut celebration, the Govardhan Puja, folks would flock to the mandirs to see how beautifully it is displayed, like it is displayed at our mandir. At the Swaminarayan Mandir, they even do a more grander celebration with spectacular amounts of dishes and fanciness there. And so it is so spectacular that folks, they all come and they flock to the mandir. पौराणिक मान्यता के अनुसार उस दिन ब्रजवासी नंद बाबा के नेतृत्व में इंद्र की पूजा किया करते थे. And there was this individual by the name of Nanda Baba. Nanda Baba is whom? The father of Bhagwan Shri Krishna, and he lived in Braj, and he, on this day, he would perform the puja of Indra Bhagwan. And जिससे इंद्र याग कहा जाता है, they would call it the Indra Yag. It is a yajna dedicated to Bhagwan Indra. एक बार भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने नंद बाबा को इंद्र की पूजा करने से रोक दिया. And as they were making preparation for this puja, this yajna dedicated to Indra Dev, he is the lord of the Devtas, and so Bhagwan Shri Krishna was very curious as to what they were doing, why they were making all this preparation. And so Nand Baba, he said to him that we are going to go and perform the puja of Indradev, and so we need all these things to be prepared. And so he says that should not happen. He stopped his own father from doing this puja that he traditionally would have. He said, you should not do that. And so what should you do in his place? Tasmad gavam brahmanan नाम देश्वर भ्यतामकः स इंद्रयाग संभारास्तैरयं साध्यतामकः. ओम नमो भगवते Vasudevaya. And he says, oh my dear father, instead of doing the puja of Indradev, then you should do the puja of Gaumata. Gaumata, the cows. And you know, they were agrarians, they had plenty cows. They were here, and they milked cow, they had plenty cows, and they sold a lot of milk products, like dahi and butter and things like that. And so you should worship the cow, he says. You should worship the Brahmanas because they're the ones who facilitate the dharma. And you should worship the mountain. What mountain? Govardhan. And so that mountain, it gives vegetation and it feeds us all, right? And so you should worship the cows, the Brahman, and Govardhan Bhagwan. And so the katha continues. Ek baar Bhagwan, and so Bhagwan ji ne rok diya, he stopped them. And unhone kaha ki sab log milkar Govardhan Nath ki puja kare to vishesh labh hoga. And so we should all gather all the ingredients that we would have Govardhan, and we should perform Govardhan Bhagwan Ji's puja, for by doing that it brings great blessing. Bhagwan Krishna is telling his father, unke kathanusar sabhi brajvasiyon ne vaisa hi kiya. And listening to Bhagwan Shri Krishna, everybody along with Nanda and Yashoda, They gathered their ingredients, they gathered their family, and it says here, और 56 भोग लगाकर गोवर्धन नाथ की पूजा की. 56 भोग is 56. We talked about the 56, right? And so 56 भोग, different varieties of food and drinks and offerings were given to Bhagwan Govardhanath, the Parvat, the mountain, and puja was done beautifully. इसके फल स्वरूप इंद्रदेव कपित हो गए और उन्होंने अपने मेघों की आदेश दिया कि तुम लोग मूसलाधार वृष्टि करके समस्त ब्रज मंडल को बहा दिया. And so Indradev was very upset, because every year his puja was being done and all kinds of offerings were being made to him, and today they're not doing that. This year Shri Krishna has stopped it and they're not doing that anymore. So he was very upset. And so Indradev, he had control of all the devatas. And so the wind, the Vayu, Bhagwan, he called all the different clouds, and there was thunder and lightning, and there was so much water that you couldn't see the lowlands from the high. There was no difference in the lowlands and the highland, because the whole place was flooded, and it was just terrible. It was just hailstorm and rain and thunder and lightning, all terrible. 7 दिनों तक ब्रज पर घनघोर वर्षा की. For 7 days there is thunder, lightning, hail, and flooding, rain all over, and it was very troublesome. इस प्रकार का दृश्य देखकर भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने गोवर्धन पर्वत को अपने हाथ की कानी उंगली पर धारण कर लिया. And seeing this, it says here in the Bhagavad Puran, it says here that it seemed as though a child had plucked a mushroom. Sometimes you have wild mushrooms growing as a weed, and you notice that, right? And so this child is now plucking this mushroom off the ground. It's an easy task, right? It doesn't take much energy or effort. That is how Bhagwan Shri Krishna plucked the mountain Govardhan. He did a beautiful job with Govardhan Parvat here, and plucked it from the ground and lifted up with what? Not both hands, not one hand, but his little finger, and his kani finger, his little finger, and he had the mountain up there, as you see in the picture. अपने हाथ की कानी उंगली पर धारण कर लिया. उस विशालकाय पर्वत के नीचे सभी गोपों को सुरक्षित रखा. And what happened? He told all of them to come under the mountain. Would you go and stand under a mountain? I don't know, I'd be nervous. And so it was like the greatest, we look at the picture, the greatest umbrella. Everybody were rescued. The cows and the children and the grown-ups, everybody was now rescued under this huge mountain called the Govardhan Parvat, the mountain Govardhan. भगवान की इस अद्भुत लीला को देखकर आश्चर्यचकित हो इंद्र घबरा उठा. And seeing this, Indra now, he became very worried. He's wondering, who is this? Who is able to do this? Indra को श्री कृष्ण में ईश्वरत्व का भान हुआ, and he realized that this is not a little boy, but this is Bhagwan himself, And sometimes we get so into the negative emotions that there's no clarity. We don't see what reality is, and it becomes like a fog, and the mind becomes corrupt because of the negative emotions, and we don't understand what is real from what is not real. And realizing that this is Bhagwan, he's been awakened, he's been awakened. उसने श्री कृष्ण से क्षमा याचना की और उनका दुग्धाभिषेक किया. And so he went to Bhagwan, and there he asked for forgiveness. So often we do wrong things, but it's good when we realize we have done wrong, and then we go and we ask for forgiveness. There's always an opportunity for what? For correction. वह अभिषेक दूध जिस स्थान में बहकर एकत्रित एकत्रित हुआ, उसे सुरभि कुंड के नाम से जाना जाता। इस प्रकार भगवान श्री कृष्ण द्वारा इंद्र का मान मर्दन किए। His pride was destroyed by Bhagwan Shri Krishna because of the realization who he was and what Bhagwan had done. पर अन्नकूट का त्योहार विजय पर्व के रूप में मनाया जाता है. And so in that occurrence, that 7 days, Bhagwan held that mountain for 7 days, 7 nights, and he was still can be. You know, and usually children are very fickle and antsy, and they can't say, Bhagwanji, you know how old he was? He was only 7 years old when he did that. 7 years old Bhagwanji was, and he stood there for 7 days, 7 nights. And so at the end of this process, when Indradev was defeated and Bhagwan was able to place the parvat back, the mountain back onto the ground, everybody, Yashoda Ma, rescuing them. And so we all want to remember that Bhagwan rescues us every time, all the time. Sometimes here, because there is not a time and there is not a place where Bhagwan isn't. And the time that we think that he's not there is a time that we are really not dedicated to him. You know, the lighter the manifestation, the heavier the heart, the greater the mind. And I'm talking about love. I'm not talking about any realization. You have less love in your heart, the less feeling of his divine touch you will be able to experience. Shri Govardhan.
Devotees, by looking at tonight,